Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you top 5 Instagram tips and tricks. So watch this video till the end. Let's get started. First of all, get into the Instagram application. So as you can see, like this interface. So as I told you before, we are gonna see top 5 Instagram tips and tricks. The number one is, so here as you can see this reel. So I'm gonna download this reel without having any application or website. Okay, so what you have to do is, so just click on this page, and as you can see the story icon, so just click on it, so which is very over bottom, so click on it, and as you can see here you can post this reel to your story tab, right? So just add this video to your story, just click on the option and it will go through your story section. So just a minute. So now as you can see this Instagram reel. Okay, so now you can set this as your story, but I'm not gonna do that. So as you can see the top right side corner, click on the 3-dot menu, just click on it, and there you will see the save option on the second, just click on it. Now this reel video has downloaded in your gallery. Okay, you can go and check it out there. So let me show you this same video in my mobile storage folder like this. Click on it, so there you will see the same video as like this. Okay, without having any of the third-party resources. Okay, the second Instagram trick is that whenever you get into the Instagram application, you might enter your login credential like your email and password, right? So you no longer to remember that, am I right? So we have an option. So if you follow that option, so you can you don't want to enter any of the credential like that. Okay, whenever you get into that Instagram application, that will automatically will sync your email and password, so you don't need to enter your any of the credential like that. Okay, so you have to follow whatever I do. Okay, first of all, go to the profile menu and then click on top right side corner. As you can see the bar menu, click on it, and then again click on settings. So now you can see security and click on the third option, save login info. So as you can see, as it shows, we will remember your account info for you on this device. You won't need to enter it when you log it again. Okay, when you log in again, this option going to be helps you, so don't miss this option. So if you haven't turn on this option, so go and turn on this option, you will be get benefited. The Instagram third trick is that, so if you follow this option, so you can save your time as much as possible. Okay, so this will be helps you a lot if you are a student, if you are a working professional, so you can save a lot of time by having this option. Okay, so just go to the 3-bar menu, and as you can see like this, so just click on your activity, and there you can see the first option, time spent. Click on it. So as you can see like this graph, so here you can see each and every day how much time I spent on this application. Here it shows me so how many time I spent on this, so I can see this analytics and I can save my time by noticing this analytics. Okay, by the way, as you can see the set reminder to take break option, just click on it, and here we have 3 options: 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, if you click on any of this option, so that will be remind you, so when you have to put on your phone and when you have to ignore to use Instagram. Okay, because each and every day you might have a lot of work, so a lot of schedule, so you might miss your schedule to follow by using this Instagram application. And if you go and watch stories or reels, so there you might waste a lot of time, right? So here we have an option, so do use this option and you will be get benefited. Probably I recommend this option for a student, so they have to accomplish a lot of success on their life, right? So you can use this option and save your time and be productive. By the way, I'm gonna tell you the number 4 trick on the Instagram. Okay, so click on the 3-bar menu and then click on your activity, and before going to that option, so I'm gonna tell you what about that option. So here I will tell you, so if you are using Instagram frequently, so you might use many of the website, right? So you can see a lot of website on Instagram post or wherever you see on the Instagram, so you might click on any of the links. Okay, so if you do that frequently, so you might take long history, right? If you used any of the website which is very useful for you from your post on the Instagram, so you randomly picked one website, so by having some kind of hyperlink on the Instagram post, right? So you might forget about it after a long time. So here I'm telling you, you can get all of the website links that you have clicked on the Instagram. So if you go to that same option, by the way, as you can see the 3-bar menu, and then click on it and click on your activity. So there you can get you visited as like links you visited. Click on it. So here I have no history, but if you are used any of the website from Instagram, so you can see all of the website URLs, and if you see that, you can get that website by this page. Okay, the number 5 trick is that, so you may have a lot of posts in your Instagram profile, right? So sometimes, so your friend or who are they, that is not a matter, but if you are thinking about that, so someone is watching your post. By the number 5 trick is that, so you might post many of the Instagram posts on your profile. So am I right? So if you have any of the sensitive posts so that you want to hide on the time, so somebody will see that nearby you by having their phone. Okay, so they will see all of the Instagram posts that you have posted. So if you are getting inconvenienced by they are watching something like that, so you can get hide on the time. So you don't need to delete any of the posts, so you can hide those posts on the time. So somebody will see that nearby you, so that time you are getting inconvenienced, so they don't want to see your profile. So this is your intention, right? So there you can do that option, which is, so go to that particular Instagram post, click on it, and then as you can see top right side, click on the 3-dot menu, and then there you can see archive. Just click on it. If you click that option, there you can't see any of your post, okay, which you have archived. Okay, so I have had one post in my Instagram profile, but now I don't have any of the posts. But after happening that incident, so you can get back your Instagram post, that particular post back. Okay, so what you have to do is, so just go to your Instagram profile and then click on the 3-bar menu, and then as you can see the second option, archive, click on it. There you can see that archived post, click on it, and then click on again the 3-bar menu, and then click on show on profile. So everything is done. So you've seen top Instagram tips and tricks. So just comment on this video which is your most favorite trick, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and also click the ringing bell icon. You will never miss any of the updates from our channel. Thanks for watching.